Soil is the loose material that covers the Earth's surface. In most parts of the world, land is covered by soil. You can think of soil as the living skin of the earth. It gives plants the nutrients they need to grow, and plants give people and animals food to live. Soil also provides building materials, homes for animals, and things we use every day. Soil is not just dirt. It is an important natural resource that provides the foundation for life on Earth. Soil is made of rocks, decayed plants and animals, air, and water. Let's first look at rocks. Through a process called weathering, big rocks break down into smaller and smaller pieces, eventually becoming part of soil. Soil does not form in a day. It can take hundreds of years. Wind, water, and extreme hot and cold temperatures cause rocks to break down over time. The pieces of rock are transported from one place to another through erosion. But wait, soil is not just tiny rocks. It is also made up of decayed plants and animals called humus. Humus is made from things that were once alive, like leaves that fall from a tree. The dead leaves decay or break down and become part of the soil, giving it nutrients. Humus is a dark color and is found on the ground's surface. There are 3 layers of soil. The topsoil is the top layer where plants grow, and it is only a few inches thick. Humus is part of the topsoil. The middle layer is the subsoil, and it is a combination of soil and rocks. Bedrock is the bottom layer that is made up of many layers of rock. How soil looks and feels tells us about its properties. Is it good for growing plants? How much air and water does it hold? To answer these questions, let's start with soil types. There are 3 types of soil: sand, silt, and clay. Soil comes from tiny pieces of weathered rock. The difference between soil types is the size of the rock particles. Sand has the largest particles. It feels rough and gritty. Sandy soil has air spaces between the grains of sand. The airspace lets water drain through sand quickly. A sandcastle washes away in the tide because sand does not hold on to a lot of water. Silt has medium-sized particles. It feels smooth when wet. Silt particles hold on to more water than sand. A bird's footprint sticks to silty soil because silt does not drain as much water. Clay has the smallest particles. It feels sticky when wet and hard when dry. The small rock particles pack tightly together, holding the most water, but there is little space for air. The water helps clay keep its shape, so it is used to make pottery. What is the best type of soil for growing plants? Sand does not hold enough water for most plants to grow. Clay holds water but does not contain the air that plants need. The best soil for growing plants is called loam, and it is a mixture of sand, silt, clay, and humus. Humus is made of decaying plants and animals. It adds nutrients to soil and gives it a darker color. The combination of soil and humus makes loam the best soil for growing plants because it has the perfect amount of air, water, and nutrients.